Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Fort Washington School in Fresno, California, part of the Clovis Unified School District. It's my first time here, and it was a beautiful morning. I got to share my heart with the first through sixth graders. We had two separate assemblies in their cafeteria, multi-purpose room, and basically the main focus was on bullying and looking at someone's heart first, right? That we are able to see someone the same way that we see our own best friend for who they truly are inside. And if we can let that love, peace, kindness fully enter our heart, as big as our fist, we can turn this into this. One finger is ourself, the other is for someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves by how we choose to treat not only ourselves, but other people too, right? And it's also because in 2 seconds, one action, one tweet, one comment, one DM, one text, one word, right? 2 seconds, one heartbeat, one breath, really. We can either raise someone up high as the clouds or cut them so deep by what we say or do that it stays in their heart in a negative way for the rest of their life. So to be conscious of our actions and our decisions, really understand the impact of our actions and, that pain that we could potentially cause someone or, the healing that we could potentially bring to someone, that's a huge life lesson to get at a young age. And so we also focus on a really important concept, which is that healed people heal people. That the biggest reason why bullying happens that I've seen is that hurt people, that it's easy to push that pain on someone else. If our feelings get hurt, that's the easy thing to do. The hard thing to do is to forgive and rise above that hatred, right? And still be able to show love to people that probably really need it so desperately. And a lot of students that came up to me after my talk today, they gave me a hug or just said, "Hey, Mr. Peace, you really touched my heart," somewhere in tears. I said, "Look, it's because you have a big heart." And that means that now it's up to you to go share that gift of what I was able to instill in you, during this short time that I had with you, right? 30, 40 minutes. And if I can touch your heart in that short time frame, think about the difference you can make in someone's life over an entire school year, right? Over an entire year or beyond. So that's what's beautiful. That these young people are already picking up that torch for change, to be the change like we talked about with Mahatma Gandhi, that we must be the change that we wish to see for this world. And like Dr. King said, that the time is always right to do what is right. And what is right is to show compassion to everybody around us, treat everybody like you treat your best friend. And that kindness starts in here, in our heart, looking at someone's heart first, but also seeing them for this too. Every one of us, on the palm of our hands, with the lines on our hands, we have the letter M. It's on the front of my shirt here, what it stands for, miracle. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but we have at least one in each hand. And this M stands, again, for miracle this way, but upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to give it and receive it. But we have to believe that, right? We have to buy into that because so many people that I speak to, students and adults, sometimes they've forgotten that, never been told that, and they need a reminder. And so it's up to us to be that light to their heart. Help them understand and believe that they are worth everything. And so through a series of heartfelt stories, inspirational videos, positive music, that was some of the main principal focuses that I was able to convey throughout the couple presentations today. Again, just a beautiful day inside and outside, obviously with the sun shining, just so inspired to see these youth that are going to continue to make a difference by shining their light and sharing their love. Thank you so much, everyone, for touching my heart. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see popped up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist for some additional motivation. You can also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.